Once you have your videos made and before you can really use them, you have to figure out how you want to organize them. Personally, I suggest using YouTube or SchoolTube, depending on what your school allows. This is what my YouTube channel looks like. If you have any sort of Google account, whether it's a Gmail account or a Google Apps for Ed account or a Google Drive account, all of those things work for YouTube. YouTube is connected in the Google network, so when you go to sign in, you use your Google sign in and you already have an account set up. Even if you've never used it before, your account already exists. So when I go to my channel, I see several different things. I see kind of a news feed of my uploaded videos, so those are the most recent things that have happened with my account. If I go to the Video Manager tab, I can see all my different uploads. I can edit them, so I can choose what picture shows up here. I can organize them into different playlists, which is actually how I organize things for my students. So when I go to my playlist, I see that I have different playlists for each unit. Now, I only teach one class, so I only have to organize it by unit. If you teach different classes, you can organize them by class and unit. So you could say Honors Chemistry Unit 1, Regular Chemistry Unit 1, Biology Unit 1. You could add extra descriptions to your playlist titles to help students figure out which one they need. When you go to a unit playlist, I organize mine in sequential order. So my students can basically go through the videos in the same order that we went through the material in class. That keeps it somewhat logical, and it makes it easier for the students to learn. I only keep the playlist up of the units that we've had so far in class. So for my students, we've had Units 1 through 4. Unit 5 will start when we come back from break. Unit 5 currently the kids can't see. And then I have my NSTA 2015 playlist that I'm going to make available to you guys to see all of these videos. So that's how I suggest organizing. It makes it pretty easy and straightforward for people to get to. It's easiest if you make all of your videos public. Now, that's a little bit scary because that means that anyone can access your videos. However, if the point of this is to be transparent and for people to know what's going on in your classroom, videos being public is an important part of the transparency piece of using videos. Another way that you could possibly organize videos would be through a Google Drive. If you don't have access to YouTube or SchoolTube, you could upload the actual video files onto a Google Drive folder that you could share with your students so that they could still have access to those videos. I've seen people put them on flash drives so kids can check out a flash drive with all the video files if they need to take it home, if they don't have good access to a Google Drive or the internet. And then you could, if you wanted to, you could burn CD discs of the different videos. So you could burn a unit at a time or you could burn discs of the individual videos. So there are a lot of different ways to organize your videos to make sure that they're easily available to your students.